Here we are, we're still on the front porch, of course. You can see we removed the whole front beam. It was pretty much rotted. Plus it was a cob job that wasn't rotted. And here we have the old supports. Turns out, if you pick them up a little bit and push them down, you can hear that they're hitting rock. And somebody else had told me that they put a big rock in the ground and then they put these down to it. And that appears to be the case. Right now we're trying to remove this. They had this mortar and tendon. They had a tendon in here, I guess that's what it's called. You can see it right there. Drove down through, and that's why I couldn't pound this thing out. So I had to take the chisel to it, and I've been chiseling the whole thing away. Once I get this out, then I may try to remove that pin, and then I'm going to start putting in 2x6s and 1x6s to go across here the full distance and build it out to about a 6x7 or 6x8, and it'll sit on our supports. We've added more supports, and we're still going to add a couple more too. A lot of feet on the ground to support this thing. And then we'll be removing this later and do a lot of work here.